If you've been arrested for DUI, the first thing you need to understand is you're not guilty just because you've been arrested. DUI laws are very difficult. They have videotape now, and so they can be difficult to win. But there are cases that can be won because it's not illegal to consume alcohol and drive a vehicle. Now, we don't recommend that you drink and drive any amount of alcohol, but if you do and you get arrested for DUI, we advise you to contact us or some attorney so that you know what your rights are and know how to proceed with your case. Another reason to have an attorney in a DUI is that the penalties can be very severe. In Alabama, you can get up to 1 year in jail for your first DUI conviction. The fines can be excessive, up to $2,100 for a first conviction, and they just get higher and higher for every conviction that you have. Also in Alabama, if you get a fourth DUI within a certain period of time, it can be a felony, which can result in a year and a day up to 10 years in prison. So an attorney can look at the facts of the case and see whether it can be proven, advise you of your rights, and help you decide how you want to proceed with the case. To be convicted of DUI, there has to be some reason to stop you. The officer can't just stop you because you look a certain way. They also have to prove that they had probable cause to make an arrest for DUI. They do that through field sobriety tests and testimony about smelling alcohol in your breath and things of that nature. And then they also have to be able to convince the court that you either had at least 0.08% alcohol in your system, or that you were driving to the point where the alcohol impaired your ability to operate a motor vehicle. And sometimes that can be difficult for the the officer to do. So again, I would advise you, if you've been arrested for DUI, to contact an attorney immediately. One other thing that's important is that if you blow in the machine and you blow 0.08 or above, they can administratively suspend your license. And in order to challenge that, you have to file a notice with the Department of Public Safety within 10 days of the date of being arrested for DUI. If not, then you waive that, and your license can be administratively suspended for 90 days on a first conviction. That would be set aside if you're found not guilty of the DUI, or if the DUI is non-prost.